In today's tutorial, we will be looking at how to add music and audio to an individual slide or maybe multiple slides. There are a couple of ways that you can add music and audio. You can add it to playlists, which means the music is going to play throughout the whole playlist. You can add it to a slide or multiple slides, and you can also add a stream of some kind. It could be something similar to tune-in radio, for example. In this particular tutorial, we are only looking at adding music or audio to a slide. So let's go to our library. Let's upload assets. I have a short audio file here, an MP3 called Corporate Commercial. Let's double click and the system is automatically going to upload and convert the file to something usable in your digital signage content. Now going back to playlists, opening up my playlist number 1, and in this tutorial we will be using slide number 1. I will go to assets just as I would if I were adding a photo, a video, or anything else. Open up your assets, find your audio file, in this case my MP3, and you'll see this box being added. You can place it anywhere in your content where it fits you, because the box, the name, the icon and so forth will not be displaying on the TV. It will though play the music. On the right side in settings, we can set the slide duration to the same time as the music. We can adjust the volume, and we can of course loop the track. And that's more or less it. It's not that difficult. If you wanted this on multiple slides, you can simply copy and paste it to the other slides.